What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Can't stay in the house anymore, stir crazy, heading down the garage even though we're not supposed to. Apparently we're on a lockdown, so I'm hoping I don't get stopped on the way down. I'll just tell them I'm going to the shops because they said it's only essentials, so make like a tree and leaf. So yeah guys, I'll see you down there. On the subject of lockdown, this is the Catrintoynan Road in Tala, which is usually at this time absolutely mental. It's 6 o'clock and it's just dead, not one car. What's up guys, down here at the garage now. Just thought I'd do a bit of cleaning up first, a bit of tidying. The place is a bit of a mess. Lucky there was no one on the roads, no guards around stopping anyone, so straight shot all the way down. The roads are ridiculously empty, it's crazy. But yeah, just down here at the garage now. I'm going to give the Mini a quick clean off, and what I want to do tonight is just get the body prepped. I'm going to remove the rear lights. I'm not going to remove the door handles yet because I don't have inner door handles. They kind of fell apart. I don't know why they're made of plastic. I don't know why. When I tried to open the car last time, it smashed in my hand. Maybe from lying up, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm going to clean off the Mini and then get the car sanded with the... I'm going to start with the 400 grit again and then go over it with the 600 grit, get it smooth. So what I want to do is go over the driver's side, then I'm going to go on the back of the car, remove the rear lights, and then just go around the car again with the 400, get it all done nice and tidy. And so yeah guys, I'm going to stick on a time lapse, so enjoy me busting my balls for a good 2-3 hours and squishing it into a 2-minute video. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Peace. So much harder to do by hand. Sooner the better I get that compressor fixed, the better. So yeah guys, just a quick message before I get back onto the door here. Obviously, with what's going on in the world today, everyone's praying for everyone to survive this obviously. So guys, just stay safe. Best thing to do is distance yourself from everyone else. Hopefully when it's over you'll get to see your family members, you'll get to talk to everyone. Skype people, message them, FaceTime them, whatever you want to do. Just like most of the idiots that haven't been doing it, they're the ones that are most in danger. So if you just do your social distancing, stay away from people, and obviously don't spit on people like most people have been doing. Absolute jokes. So yeah guys, stay safe. Wash your hands is one of the best things they say you can do. Wearing gloves isn't 100%. So yeah, just keep clean, keep your distance, and stay safe. So guys, back to the Mini. Enjoy. Now guys, what you see me hammering there at the end was this. That is where I had the little mirror. There's a little mirror I had here because the wing mirrors on the front don't do great. So I had a mirror here. So what I'm going to do is These are going to get drilled out, and I'm going to be putting nuts and bolts in them because I do want to keep the little mirror there. It's cool, and it's handy to see because I'm definitely keeping these. I love them too much to get rid of them, so I'm going to keep this little mirror here, but I'm going to mount it properly. It was another last minute thing that I just drilled 2 holes and stuck 2 self-tappers in to hold the mirror. So yeah, so that's gonna stay there, and then that's the whole side of that car nearly prepped. It's done with the 400, so I will be going over the car beforehand, spraying it with the 600. That means I'll get all in around the doors, all of the tops and around the backs, all around the doors and the bottom seal bit as well. That'll all be getting done with the 600 to smooth it. So guys, I'm going to crack on with the back of the car. I'm going to take the rear lights off, and then I'm going to sand the whole back of it. Right, just gonna take a bit of a breather there, guys. Getting the whole back end of this car done. Unfortunately, that light had one of the bolts and it was spinning in it, so I had to break it off. I can glue it back together, I can plastic weld it and get it back in, but I was thinking about getting new lights for the back of the car anyway, nicer ones. Maybe a tinted one the same style, but with the reverse light, because I do like the reverse light. Another thing, this grass, I get asked all the time at the IMM and any of the runs. The grass is a funny but sad story. When we were building the car, my dad's grave was getting redone, and there was a bit of grass left over. I had no idea it was getting done. My brother cut it out and put it in the back of the Mini, so it's staying in the Mini forever. Obviously has to, but it's a good touch. It looks cool. It's different. I had cars on the back, just little Minis and stuff on the back. Everyone always asks the question, why the grass and why do you have it there? It looks so weird, but that's a nice little story for you there anyway about the grass. So that's definitely staying. But yeah, the lights, I don't want to go with the standard ones anymore. The colour has gone out of them as well. They're gone very yellowish, so I'm not a fan of that. And all the bolts in them, even though they were new when I put them in the car, no water has been near them. They're gone rusty, so they obviously weren't stainless lugs in them that I put the new shiny nuts on. So yeah guys, I'm just going to take a breather for a minute just to catch my breath with all this sanding. So I'll obviously be back at it in a few seconds for yourselves because I'll stick it on a time lapse, but I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and chill for a few minutes. Right guys, that's enough sanding for one night. I got the back of the car done. Now it's not done 100%, it still needs to be gone over. There's all in the nooks and crannies and all in the little bits. So I'll need to cut up some sandpaper, get in there. I'm not going to do that until it's closer to paint. Unfortunately, all the car places are closed now, so I can't even buy my paint. I'm nearly sure there's gloss black there somewhere anyway, so maybe I can get the roof done. So I might come down tomorrow and fully prep the roof, get it masked off, drop some plastic around the car, and hopefully during the week, if my brother's free, because he's still working, he's a delivery driver, if he's free, I'll see if he can lash a bit of black on it and lacquer it, see how good it comes out. I know that the dents that I done need a little bit more work. So yeah guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video here. A lot more to do, not a lot of time to do it. So guys, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, I'm on Snapchat too. Subscribe to the channel, nearly on 200, 199. Not a lot, but it's a lot to me. I appreciate every single one who follows the videos and watches them. Really do appreciate it. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. So stay safe, stay inside, stay away from sick people. Don't get sick. If you do, get better soon. Peace out.